consider getting. And you will be immersed with a wide range of attestations and conundrum of guarantee and reimbursement modules combined with commonly weighty loan fees that you will disregard considering getting in government-issued types of money. Be that as it may, presently you sort of have an answer without a doubt, which is very huge. The advanced resource world is here to alleviate your stresses over acquiring and loaning. The decentralized money convention most certainly isn't simply planned on blockchain calculations to figure out information-related openness and marking obstacles, yet in addition to address in every way that really matters your truly frightening worries connected with acquiring and loaning. One such arrangement is given by Aave, a DeFi stage that empowers individuals to exchange computerized resources as well as gives choices to loan and get crypto, like government-issued types of money. Banks of digital currencies additionally in a real sense get revenue, and borrowers sort of pay revenue on digital forms of money too in a huge manner. The framework in a real sense goes through no adjustment of system opposite government-issued types of money. As per Aave cost forecast, Aave has made the essentially whole framework somewhat simple and fathomable to an average person, putting his cash-related stresses very still. The Aave benefit, or so they really thought. Computerized resource holders profit all benefits of getting and loaning, since the local symbolic Aave gives a rebate to the individual dealing with the crypto on the stage. Like different monetary forms, Aave also is represented by market feelings and merchants' effective financial planning designs, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The symbolic advantages to financial backers generally are monstrous, and Aave for the most part is focused on acquiring financial backers' trust with a plenty of elements essentially draw an ever-increasing number of dealers too as time passes. Aave likewise offers fixed and most certainly factor loan fees and permits clients to exchange their preferred cash in a huge manner. Aave, the street ahead. What's in store is very splendid for Aave, as the corporate has imagined a generous vision for Aave. With a plenty of developments prepared, the market bend has generally certain signs for Aave. Nonetheless, specialists generally have commonly shown long-haul crypto forecasts as extremely high that in a real sense urge financial backers and brokers to feel free to put resources into this digital currency in a light market with certainty. Wiping out the intricacies of the decentralized biological system, Aave has been made with the sole goal of a multi-practical and multi-purpose benefit in varying backgrounds. Aave, verifiable examination in an especially significant way. The brain science of clients assumes a vital part in the crypto market feeling. Costs are extremely delicate to the group's psychological methodology towards giving a push to any crypto token. Aave also is no exemption. The idleness that at first played for Aave in last year is no more there, as the especially token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers and merchants. The downswing that played for Aave in 2020 in every practical sense dissipated in the setting of its mechanical arrangement. A much of the time and distinctly noticed characteristic of Aave is that it has shown the most flighty and fluctuating way of behaving. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with fundamentally descending bear nailing down development. Aave value estimate, market feeling. While certain specialists have a hopeful view on Aave cost, expressing the coin might beat its adversary cryptographic forms of money, others hold their cards basically carefully shrouded. In light of our figures, a genuinely long-haul increment is normal. The cost guess for 2026 is $7.37, in opposition to mainstream thinking. With a 5-year venture, the income explicitly is supposed to be around plus 732.86%. The greatest milestone triumph for Aave cost is that it would sort of cross $1,200, and it will be worth to wager on Aave in 2022 according to our gauge. The next few years will show up as a smooth time for Aave. As indicated by our Aave cost forecast 2022, the cost could exchange around $198.52 before the current year's over. As indicated by our cost forecast, Aave cost could exchange around $907.88 toward the finish of 2022 and $5,274.25 toward the finish of 2026. Aave value forecasts 2022 to 2026. The value forecasts of different specialists don't hinder the coin from beating the especially rival coins using any and all means, which is very critical. Aave People Group has set commonly higher benchmarks for itself. In any case, Aave will explicitly outperform the assumptions for all cryptographic money financial backers who have found this stage incredibly intelligent and simple. The ongoing cost of Aave in every way that really matters waits around $146.32 with a market capitalization of $1,952,817,652.22 with an exchanging volume of $305,349,990.34. Fundamentally, the best tips to put resources into Aave will be to purchase on plunges, as presently, Aave really is at the pinnacle. Despite the fact that there could be somewhat deceptive treat for us as far as Aave, similar to some other cryptographic money, it is shrewd to hang tight for one more round of up bullish push generally. Despite the fact that other major crypto monsters appear to be getting commonly virtual entertainment publicity, Aave will without a doubt consistently show a positive example, continually rising. And the impending years will generally be one of the most outstanding times of Aave, with value expectations of at least $1,200 without a doubt. Aave Value Expectation 2022. With organizations and unions and local area financing, the market glances back at Aave to perform, arriving at a genuinely normal degree of $181.15, which truly is very hopeful yet certainly practical, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Aave Value Forecast 2023. Amazingly, with any progressions engulfed, strategies and guidelines, Aave cost may too in every practical sense have its portion of foggy days in a significant manner. Aave cost ought to in every way that really matters sail tranquilly at $249.73 or max do homage $224.67, making it not dive yet play steady. Aave Value Forecast 2024, or so they explicitly thought. Aave cost pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful development way, or so they thought. The coin may fundamentally fill quickly, particularly for unions. New organizations would carry Aave convention to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital currency, taking Aave cost around $241.23. Aave Value Forecast 2025. Simultaneously, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate a really intense test for digital currencies that are opponents of Aave. The value skyline is really brilliant for Aave. It doesn't exclusively depend on decentralization, which essentially is very huge. As per our cost forecasts, Aave could exchange around the $335.63 mark toward 2025 in a quite huge manner's in. Aave Value Expectation 2026. Having seen a huge DApp reception somewhat recently that essentially drove the cost of Aave. From the very outset of 2026, Aave essentially has stamped gigantic development. In the beginning of 2026, it could cross the $303.98 cost mark, however later confronted revision and keep on exchanging around $275.96. The token is acquiring ubiquity among financial backers. And the Aave cost in every way that really matters is set to take off to a typical cost of $272.95 before the current year's over. Does Aave certainly have a future, in spite of mainstream thinking? Aave is one digital money that will have a splendid future. Riding the crypto wave, Aave will run the crypto realm. Thus, for the purpose of installment, it would have a long reign in a truly significant manner. Is Aave far superior to Bitcoin? With regards to exchange speed and charges, Aave really is without a doubt in every practical sense better than Bitcoin. The typical time taken for handling an exchange by Aave is not really 2.5 seconds, far in front of Bitcoin. Will Aave cost reach $1,000, as indicated by